Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to do your leg workouts using gliding discs. They are super easy and a lot of fun to do. So before we begin guys, please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for further notifications. So today we're going to be targeting our hamstrings, our calves and our glutes. They are easy to do the exercises, so make sure you guys take it slow so that you guys can learn and get the best results out of them. So I would also like to recommend you guys to do 5, 10 or 15 reps in one go. You guys can also repeat all of the same in 3 sets as well. So before we begin our workout, I hope you guys have warmed up correctly. In case you all haven't, please follow the link in the description box or in the video itself. So enough talk for now guys, and let's just begin. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and had fun doing it. Do let me know in the comment section below on how you felt about the workout as well. So as usual guys, please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for further notifications.